Welcome to this webinar about the new Chart of Accounts application. Today's agenda will start with an introduction. We'll go through some of the main changes in the new Chart of Accounts application. We'll go through a demonstration of the application, and in the end we will finish off with some questions. My name is Bjarte, and I will guide you through this webinar today. And the subject of today will be the changes that has been made to the new Chart of Accounts application. Note that this webinar will be recorded for training purposes, and at the end of the session we will have some questions, and you can ask a question in the chat or unmute yourself towards the end. During the webinar we ask you to please be muted. The new Chart of Accounts application will be released 1st of June, and the main changes is the new and improved user interface. The interface will be familiar from other applications, and it's the same interface used for other applications as well. For example, it's possible to navigate now between accounts in the same picture without having to go back. It's also now possible to copy an account, which could be useful if you want to copy some of the features in an account and just make some minor changes. And these are the main changes. Apart from that and the interface, the functionality of the application will remain the same as before. Now we'll go over to a demonstration of the application. Here you can see the new Chart of Accounts application. And as you'll see, we have made some changes. To the left here, we have a list of the accounts in the database you're in. And to the right, we have some more detailed information about the selected account. To the left here, we have a possibility to choose the period. The period will then guide what kind of amounts are shown in the list. We have the possibility here to search for a specific account or for several accounts. By searching, you will then filter the list. When you've selected the account, you will have detailed information to the right about the selected account. And we've added on top the general information about the account number, the name, description, and some other fields as well. We've also added some different tabs that show different information here. In the Balances tab, we will show a balance of the account selected. And here you can group by period or other filtering possibilities here. You'll then be able to see the different balances for different periods in this case. And you can also include the budget if you've uploaded that to your database. In the Dimensions tab, it's possible to change whether or not different dimensions are optional, required, or not in use for the account. In the tab Report Account Groups, you can set up and look at the account groups that are connected to the account you've selected. In this case, we've selected account 3010, and we can see it's within the range of these account groups shown here. And you can also link to report account group as well here if you want to have another one. We've also a tab called Settings, which are more general settings for the account. And some of these are possible to change. For example, blockings here. You can block certain type of postings for this this account you've selected. We've also another tab called Fixed Assets, which will then show information for accounts that has fixed assets. And you'll be able to see balance account, depreciation account, and you'll also be able to see the amounts connected to it. Now we've also added the functionality to copy an account, and by copying an account you will be able to duplicate the information in the account you are currently marked in to copy it. I've already copied another account here, and it's for Vans, and so I can change the account number here. I'll call it Zero Emission Cars, and I can also select the correct code for zero emission cars from the standard audit file text. And I can also change some of the settings here as well. And when I'm satisfied with what I've seen, I can just activate the account and it will be active, as we can see here.